Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Sora to OpenAI globally on any unsupported region. As you can see, I'm trying to find the Sora 2 application, but there's no, because I live in an unsupported region. But in order to download this application, what you have to do is open your web browser. You have to type in Sora 2 APK mirror, hit enter. You will see the APK mirror website on the top. Select that. As you can see, this is the application, and then you have to scroll down just a bit and you will be able to see all of the available downloads. Select the universal version, close the ad, and then select any version. Click on download APK. Now you have to wait for a bit, maybe 5 seconds. As you can see, the file is started to download. Once downloaded, you have to open Google Play Store and type in APK bundle installer. You will see this application. Click on install. Once installed, click on open. Now click on browse files and find your downloaded file which you have just downloaded. So I will go to my downloads folder, or I can also search for the application. For instance, this is Sora. I will type in Sora and click on apply. Select the file. Click on install package. You have to watch an ad before installing. I will wait for 30 seconds and the file will be downloaded, and that's simply how you can install Sora to OpenAI globally. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.